The startup OpenAI took the tech sector by storm with its ChatGPT chatbot in late 2022.
On Wednesday, OpenAI pulled back the curtain on what may be its most groundbreaking leap in AI technology yet: the launch of two new reasoning models, o3 and o4-mini. These models have been meticulously engineered to not just spit out answers, but to actually pause, reflect, and reason through problems. It's an approach that marks a significant philosophical and technical evolution from earlier models. The goal? Thoughtful AI that doesn't just complete a sentence, but considers why the sentence should be completed a certain way in the first place. The o3 model, in particular, stands tall as the crown jewel in OpenAI's reasoning lineup. This model goes beyond mere word prediction or basic pattern recognition. According to the internal benchmarks shared by OpenAI, o3 delivers exceptional performance in several intellectually demanding fields: math, coding, reasoning, science, and even image-based problem solving. One of the most striking test results comes from SWE-bench, a rigorous coding benchmark where o3 scored an impressive 69.1% on the verified test, a clear indicator of how far AI has come in just the last year. For those tracking the progress of AI coding capabilities, this score is nothing short of historic. Yet OpenAI didn't stop at just building a powerhouse. They also delivered a model for the pragmatists, the o4-mini. Designed with developers and enterprise applications in mind, o4-mini offers a compelling trade-off between cost, speed, and intelligence. With a nearly equivalent performance of 68.1% on the SWE-bench test, this model proves that high-level reasoning doesn't have to come with a high-end price tag. What o4-mini sacrifices in brute force computational power, it makes up for in accessibility and efficiency, qualities that matter deeply when deploying AI in real-world apps. Both models are equipped with something previous generations could only dream of: the ability to see and understand images, and not just high-resolution, studio-quality visuals either. These models can analyze fuzzy screenshots, whiteboard scrawls, even partially obscured or rotated content. It represents a major leap for use cases like document analysis, educational tutoring, medical diagrams, and even mechanical troubleshooting. Imagine a student uploading a photo of a complex chemistry diagram and the model walking them through the logic of each step. Or an engineer sketching a system architecture on a napkin and receiving a code-based simulation in response. The new visual reasoning feature isn't a gimmick. It's a functional revolution in how humans and machines interact. Another powerful feature now integrated into o3 and o4-mini is the ability to execute Python code on the fly through ChatGPT's Canvas feature. This means users can not only ask theoretical questions, but can run actual scripts and interact with live data. Want to calculate a regression in real time? Plot a complex graph? Filter a dataset for inconsistencies? These models will walk you through it and even let you tweak the parameters mid-session. It's like having a data scientist, coder, and tutor all rolled into one responsive, always available AI. And just in case the internal knowledge base isn't enough, both models are also web-connected. This means users can ask about current events or pull the most up-to-date statistics, and the AI will search the internet in real time. For users who rely on timely information, from journalists to analysts to curious minds, this brings ChatGPT closer to the ultimate goal of being both smart and aware. For those concerned about cost, OpenAI has built in a tiered pricing structure to make these tools more broadly available. The o3 model, which offers top-tier reasoning and enhanced capabilities, is priced at $10 per million input tokens, about 750,000 words, and $40 per million output tokens. Meanwhile, o4-mini comes in as the budget-friendly alternative at just $1.10 per million input tokens and $4.40 per million output tokens. And for users who want an extra level of reliability, there's also a version called o4-mini High. While this version takes slightly longer to generate responses, the trade-off is a noticeable improvement in response precision and overall dependability. Access to these models isn't limited to just casual ChatGPT users either. All three variants, O3, o4-mini, and o4-mini High, are now accessible via OpenAI's API platforms, including the Chat Completions API and the Responses API. That means developers and businesses can seamlessly plug these reasoning engines into their products, platforms, or services. Whether it's a virtual assistant that understands technical diagrams or a customer service chatbot that can run calculations and reason through logistics, the sky is no longer the limit. It's just the beginning. Looking ahead, OpenAI is already preparing the next tier in this reasoning revolution, O3 Pro. This advanced variant will harness additional computing power to deliver responses that are even deeper, more nuanced, and more contextually aware. Exclusively available to ChatGPT Pro subscribers, O3 Pro is being positioned as a premium experience for those who need the absolute cutting edge in AI reasoning. While specific performance metrics for O3 Pro have not yet been publicly disclosed, OpenAI's trajectory and prior benchmarks offer a strong hint of what's to come. This model isn't just an incremental improvement, it's designed to push the boundaries of what AI can understand, evaluate, and generate. The expectations are high. OpenAI's roadmap suggests that O3 Pro will move confidently into territory that only human-level reasoning once occupied, navigating complex decision trees, tackling intricate multi-step problems, and engaging in creative reasoning that spans multiple formats, including text, code, and visual media. Whether it's developing scientific hypotheses, analyzing contracts, or composing music with visual prompts, O3 Pro could become the first widely accessible AI tool to truly feel collaborative in how it thinks. If O3 and o4-mini are the opening act, O3 Pro might just be the headline performance of this AI evolution. The O3 and o4-mini launches are not just about faster or smarter responses. They signal a fundamental shift in how AI is designed, how it learns, and how it applies knowledge in real-world scenarios. For too long, artificial intelligence has operated like a well-trained parrot, repeating the most statistically likely answer it has seen before, often without context or depth. But these new reasoning models act more like skilled chess players. They pause, they process, they evaluate the situation, predict outcomes, and then select the most logical or strategic path forward. This isn't just better pattern matching, it's a new tier of computational thought. This evolution in AI reasoning has the potential to ripple across every sector that depends on intelligent decision-making. In science, it could mean more accurate simulations or data interpretations. In software engineering, smarter code debugging and logic validation. In art and design, deeper visual analysis and creative collaboration. In strategic planning, AI that not only follows instructions, but foresees the impact of different choices. These models aren't just tools anymore. They're becoming thinking partners. And as developers and users alike begin to integrate this kind of intelligence into everyday systems, the line between human intuition and machine reasoning continues to blur. And it seems the public is paying attention. ChatGPT has already seen a major uptick in user engagement, particularly after the viral sensation of AI-generated Ghibli-style pictures flooded social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. These dreamy, nostalgic visuals captured hearts worldwide and introduced millions to the capabilities of generative AI. As a result, more than 150 million users have now joined the platform, exploring its growing set of tools and possibilities. This surge isn't limited to just casual curiosity. It's a wave of genuine, sustained interest. Whether those users are students looking for study help, professionals automating repetitive workflows, educators designing dynamic lesson plans, or creatives experimenting with storytelling and design, the toolkit has never been this rich or this accessible. From quick answers to complex collaborations, ChatGPT is increasingly becoming a daily digital companion, offering both convenience and inspiration in a way few technologies have before. Ultimately, the release of O3 and o4-mini feels like a line drawn in the sand. On one side, there are tools that do what you ask. On the other, there are tools that think, reason, and collaborate with you. OpenAI has made its bet on the latter, and in doing so, it might just have redefined what it means for an AI to be intelligent. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown of OpenAI's latest and greatest reasoning models, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the future of AI. Catch you in the next one.